Hello everyone, this is part 4 of the bosch rinsing stage, and we're just on the third spin. That was just perfect timing. I just cancelled the video as it was just about to drain out. So that's spin. So that's fine. I love that chugging. Kind of the pump. That's the pump. That's the pump making that noise. To be honest, because the washer doesn't smell really, Nana. Because the washer doesn't smell of no. So. No, that's unbalanced. Oh no, we're gonna mess about again, aren't we? This is just what I hate about Bosches. Why can't they spin the other way and then just redistribute again? Anyway, this is the first attempt. Oh yes, that might go. Oh, no chugging. Oh, that's bobbins. Oh, yes. It's trying its best to chug, but it can't. Oh, here you go. You can't hear the water gushing out of the pipe. There. That's probably about 200. And then second ramp up to 400. Still unbalanced, but it's not that bad. Peter's shaking again. Peter's shaking, Nanan. Peter's shaking on the top. He's just having a ride on the washer. That's 400. Or 600. I don't know. I'm really sorry you can't see it much, but still. Final spin increased to 800. Oh no, Peter's shaking. Because you can't really, see it shaking on camera, so. It's kind of chugging, but not much. But there might be a part 5, but I don't know. It's gonna shake like mad. Oh no! Because it's not really that shaky as the second spin. The second spin was like mad. Second spin was very unbalanced. The first spin was okay, and this spin's okay. Oh, that's 800. I'm sorry guys, I'm just excited to see this working in a very long time, so that's alright. I'm surprised to see this washer finished before dinner's ready, or lunch is ready. I mean, Peter's kind of shaking on the top, but it's not that bad as the second spin. There might be a part 5. Because part 5 is the final rinse this is the final rinse. The final rinse. You will know it's the final rinse because the water stops when it's just about to slow down. It tumbles. I bet it's rinsing out the softener. I think it's doing softener, but I'm not quite sure. Oh yeah, softener. Flushing the main wash compartment and the conditioner. It stops second time and then it does a second. It does a second top up. This is not the water level. It does top up. Well, sort of. But I really don't know. I can smell the Yorkshire puddings in the kitchen. That's a decent level. Part 5 is just the final spin stage still. So that's it. Yeah, but this washer does the first attempt at probably about 800, I think. Then probably the second attempt will do straight up to 1200. So it might go straight to 1200. I don't know. Still on rinse is Hetty. Good old Hetty. If you hear something rattling about, that's just the ball inside the drum. It's just the washing ball. That, and then put the washing powder in. So I'm not gonna take a photo of Joey because Nanan's there. So Nanan doesn't like being on video. I really don't know if I already said that already. I think I said that in the part 1 or part 2. I really don't know. So. There we go. I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel, so. So, I'll meet you in the part 5.